In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run the Claude Code CLI on Ubuntu. We'll start by getting the required foundation in place, Node.js. Claude Code CLI is built on Node.js, so your system needs Node and NPM before anything else. On Ubuntu or other Debian-based systems, update your package list and install Node.js and npm using your terminal. Once the install finishes, confirm everything worked by running node-v and npm-v. Both commands should print version numbers. If they don't, close and reopen your terminal and try again. Seeing those versions means your environment is ready. Next, let's install the Claude Code CLI globally so you can use it from any folder. Use npm install-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code. The -g flag installs the tool system-wide, and when it completes, you'll have access to a new command called Claude. If your shell says the command isn't found after installation, it usually means your global npm bin path isn't on your path. Adjusting that will resolve it. Now verify the installation. Type Claude -- version. If a version number prints, you're good to go. This quick check saves time by confirming the CLI is correctly linked and ready. Before you can use the CLI, you need to provide your Anthropic API key. Retrieve your key from the Anthropic console, then set it in your current terminal session by exporting the Anthropic API key environment variable. Keep this key private and never share it publicly. Exporting it this way only lasts until you close the terminal, so let's make it persistent. Append the same export line to your shell startup file, such as ~.bashrc, and then reload that file with the source command. After that, every new terminal session will have your key available. If you use a different shell, place the export in that shell startup file instead. With the key set, you're ready to run the tool. Type Claude to open the interactive experience and start chatting with the assistant from your terminal. If you want to jump straight into a coding-focused workflow, run Claude Code. The CLI will use the API key you configured to authenticate your requests. If you see an authentication error, recheck that the environment variable is set in your current session and spelled correctly. That's it.